Patterns come in all different kinds of sizes. Sometimes you need to put a panel into an unusual size window, or you have to make pieces fit into a tall, narrow sidelight. That's why we designed our modular rectangle kits. We have a regular size kit with lengths from 2 to 10 inches, which creates sides from 4 inches to 12 inches. Our supersize kit has lengths from 11 to 16 inches, enabling you to make rectangles from 13 to 18 inches long. Each kit also comes with 4 corners as well. Whatever size you use, the precise lengths and perfectly square corners will help you make great stained glass panels. No rulers or measuring angles, it's all set for you. Just pin them to your workboard and you're ready to go. I'm laying out a 12 by 8 inch rectangle. The pieces have jigsaw style ends for a good tight fit, and you can combine multiple kits for almost any size window. We also make spacers to help you get the exact size you need down to the ½ inch. With these modular layout frames, absolutely any kind of rectangle is possible.